There are a lot of misconceptions about Pinduoduo shopping app and Temu shopping app. So in this video, I'm going to clarify between the two apps and what you need to know about Pinduoduo shopping app and Temu shopping app. So if that is what you really want to learn more, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end and see difference between Temu shopping app and Pinduoduo shopping app and why do you need to consider one after the other. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tauba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see the clarification between Pinduoduo shopping app and Temu shopping app. So let's get started. So the very first app I'm going to consider in this video is Pinduoduo shopping app. Now let's take a look at Pinduoduo shopping app. So I have my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on it straight up. Here we are. So this is Pinduoduo shopping app. And one thing you need to know about Pinduoduo shopping app is that Pinduoduo shopping app is a Chinese online retail with focus on traditional agriculture industry. The business is the largest product of Pinduoduo holding, which also own Temu. This is where Temu come. And Temu is just like a subsidiary shopping app to Pinduoduo because Pinduoduo hold the Temu. That is what some people don't really know. Now, under the Pinduoduo is just like a parent company for Temu. And while Pinduoduo shopping app is located in China, at Shanghai. So that is for Pinduoduo. And it also have a subsidiary in Hong Kong, and Pinduoduo shopping app was established in 2015. And this is what brief history of what you need to know about Pinduoduo shopping app. And one great thing about Pinduoduo shopping app is that Pinduoduo allow you to procure a single item, which simply means that there is nothing called MOQ, and it is traditionally for Chinese consumer. Okay, but that is not mean that you are not a Chinese and you cannot procure on or you cannot buy whatever product of your choice on Pinduoduo shopping app. But Pinduoduo is primarily for Chinese consumer. So they shop daily use and they shop wholesale product from Pinduoduo shopping app because Pinduoduo is a comprise of retailer and manufacturer and the consumer. Okay, so that is what Pinduoduo is all about. And products on Pinduoduo are relatively cheap than compared to some other Chinese e-commerce shopping app. Okay, and one good thing about Pinduoduo here is that on Pinduoduo you can pay with your MasterCard or Visa card, and then Pinduoduo also accepts an Alipay as a means of payment or WeChat Pay. And one great thing about Pinduoduo is that if you have a Pinduoduo account and you don't have a means of payment on Pinduoduo allow you to look for a friend to make payment for you. So if you want to learn more tutorial about Pinduoduo, I have a series of videos about Pinduoduo shopping app. You can check them out on my channel for better understanding on Pinduoduo. And a brief things I would like to also say right here on Pinduoduo shopping app is that right here under this section is your home page, and then the next to it here is where you have your chart. The next to it here is where you have your profile dashboard. So let's take a look at the profile dashboard. So under this profile dashboard, what are the things you can do right here in Pinduoduo? So right here you have a product you have not paid for, and right here you have a product that is ready to be shipped, and right here you have a product that has been confirmed. Right here you have a product on transit, and right here you have a product that you have successfully received. And then the next one right here is where you have a customer contact support, and right here you have your refund icon, and right here you have your items in cart, and the next right here you have your shipping address. And one thing about Pinduoduo here is that if you are a foreigner and you are not in China and you are not a Chinese and you want to procure on this particular Pinduoduo shopping app, you must use Chinese address. That is one thing about Pinduoduo shopping app. So without using Chinese shopping address, you cannot shop on Pinduoduo. So the process here is that if you are not a China and if you are not in China and you are not a Chinese, what you need to do in this situation is that you need to look for a freight forwarder that can ship from China to whatever country of your choice. Get the shipping company Chinese warehouse address and use the address to purchase on Pinduoduo. Let me show you how the Pinduoduo accept address it look like. So let me click on my address section right here. So this is how your address supposed to look like on Pinduoduo. So you can see all this address right here, they are in Chinese character. So this is the best way to shop from Pinduoduo if you are not in China and you are not a Chinese. So when you shop with the Chinese warehouse address, the product move to your shipping company or logistic or freight forwarder address. Then from there, they ship the product outside the China to your whatever country of your choice. Okay, so there are a lot of products right here, and there is no limit to what you can purchase on Pinduoduo shopping app. All these products here, they are all good to go and at a very cheap price. Okay, so these are the few things you need to know about Pinduoduo shopping app. If you really want to learn more about Pinduoduo shopping app, and most especially if you are not in China and you are not a Chinese and you want to do shipping business from China using Pinduoduo shopping app, consider to check more video about it on my channel. I have a lot of video about it. And one great challenge about this Pinduoduo shopping app is that without WeChat, you cannot access Pinduoduo shopping app. So this is why I said earlier that this shopping app is basically for Chinese traditional, and making it Chinese traditional, it was as a result why the products are very cheap in this particular shopping app. So, but if you have a WeChat, you will definitely have access to the shopping app, and once you have access to the shopping app, you have the opportunity to benefit the same features and the same price discount as far as other Chinese citizens are benefited. So these are the things you need to know about Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's take a look at Temu shopping app and what you need to know about Temu shopping app. In the beginning of this video, I was able to introduce to you a little information about Temu shopping app. So let's take a look at the app and see what you can do about Temu shopping app. So let's get. So right here, this is my Temu shopping app. So let me click on it. All right, so just like what I say when I'm trying to start on this video is that Temu shopping app is just like subsidiary of Pinduoduo shopping app. But one great thing about Temu shopping app is that everything about Temu shopping app we are written in English language, which make it easy for all not speaking Chinese, and it make it easy for non-Chinese to procure or ship whatever product from this particular app. But one thing about this Temu shopping app is that Temu are limited to some certain country. So you can only ship Temu within US. And one great thing about Temu here is that it is a free shipping, just like Pinduoduo shopping app. Pinduoduo is also a free shipping. And Temu shopping app is an online marketplace that connects consumers with millions of sellers, manufacturers, and brands around the world with the mission of empowering them to live their best. Temu is committed to offering the most affordable quality product to enable consumers and sellers to fulfill their dreams in an inclusive environment. Temu was founded in Boston, Massachusetts in 2002. So you can see Temu is a very young baby, is a young app, a young shopping app which was introduced 2022, unlike Pinduoduo, which is the mother of Temu. Pinduoduo was established in 2015. They offer a free local shipping on Pinduoduo. The same system is here on Temu shopping app. But one great thing, one challenge is here on Temu shopping app is that the fact that the Pinduoduo own Temu shopping app does not mean that the product on Temu shopping app are quite cheaper than Pinduoduo shopping app. The answer is no. All right, so just like what I explained in the beginning of this video, where does Temu ship from? Temu ship its product from global network of suppliers and manufacturers. You can see they were not in charge of this production. So they get product from the manufacturer, they get the product from the supplier, they get the product from the factory, And using the experience, reliable logistics partner, Temu shipping origins can be very dependent on the product being purchased. However, Temu works with leading packaging courier like UPS, FedEx, and USPS to ensure that all orders are delivered promptly and securely to customers. So this is how the Temu shipping network works. Okay, so just like what you can see right here, Temu shopping price here are all in USD. So unlike Pinduoduo shopping app, which is basically for Chinese traditional, so the price here are in USD. So, and one thing about Temu is that it is not generally all over the world. Temu have very much limited to about 7 countries. So Temu, we are in Spain, United States, United Kingdom, Slovakia, etc. So those are the places whereby you can ship from Temu. So, and Temu also offer a free shipping and the like. So it is very easy for English speaking like me to make a purchase on Temu shopping app. And they have Android app, they have their app on iOS, and you can also access Temu on web browser, unlike Pinduoduo shopping app. Pinduoduo has their app on Google. You cannot see Pinduoduo app on Google Play Store. You can always get it from Google website, and just type in Temu, or you check my channel. If you want to get the app, check my channel. I make a video about how you can get Pinduoduo shopping app and how you can successfully register Pinduoduo shopping app using your WeChat. But unlike Temu, Temu is you just go to your Google Play or you go to your App Store, download Temu shopping app, then you are fine. Then download and register, you are good to go. And you can shop from electronics, gadgets, clothes, shoes, etc. There are a lot of things you can also shop from Temu right here. But if you are not in those countries that Temu we are operated, you will be required to get a logistic company, just like the way you do it on Pinduoduo. Get a logistic company that we are present in the country where Temu are operated. Get their shipping warehouse address. Then come to the Temu right here. Come to Temu May, and then come to your addresses right here. And when you click on addresses, make sure you click on add a new address. So click on add a new address. Then the address you were given by the logistic company is what you are going to use to purchase, in case if you are not in a country where Temu shopping app are operated. So like I said in the beginning of this video, Temu we are in Slovakia, Temu are in Slovenia, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, and the United States. So this is about 10 countries where Temu are operating currently. So these are the places you can only ship within this country, and when you ship within this country, then your shipping company can ship from this country to whatever country of your choice. So this is how you can shop from Temu shopping app, most especially if you are not present in the country where the app are being operated. So this is what I have for you as far as Temu shopping app and Pinduoduo shopping app is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 server on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And lastly but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.